Hello everyone. Welcome to the PR Software's YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to explain you how to create the footer in Bootstrap. So first, I will show you one design and similar design we'll try to create in our project. So as you can see on my desktop, we are having a title and below that I created a footer. So this footer, I'm going to show you one example, but I will give a lot of tips where we can create your own customized footer. So let us start with this example. So here, few points which I want to explain here is, your footer is basically divided into the four parts. So you know that basically Bootstrap is having the row concept. And in row, we are having column. So total 4 slot it is divided means what is the column empty size? 3, 3, 3 and 3. So total I will create the 3 column empty. Okay. So let us start with a simple example and we'll try to understand this concept. So the first, what I will do, I will go to the Bootstrap website. I'm starting from the very scratch so that you should not have any doubts. Take the Bootstrap. Get started with Bootstrap. Come down and copy paste this content. And what I will do, I will take a new file beside this only. And I will give the name as my footer. Any name, whatever your wish, that you can take it. Control A and delete and paste it whatever we copied from Bootstrap website. Step number 2, because I'm going to use some symbols here, as you can see on my website. Let me. So as you can see guys here, sorry, I opened wrong one. So in the footer section, as you can see here, we are using some symbols like this Facebook and all symbols we are using. So for this symbol purpose, we need one icon website. So what I use in my website is, I use font as awesome. So already I explained in the classes about this one, but still I will explain from the scratch. Just you take this link. If you don't have the link guys with you, because all the PR software student, they will have in your class, but still I will explain. Font awesome. Just take any one website, whichever you want, go to that particular website. And here you will find this link. You can copy and paste it. Okay. So I'm going to copy. I have to copy guys, sorry. And right here, link. That's it. So this is my program is ready. And here title I can change as footer page. So once again, I will tell you, I added the Bootstrap and I took the font awesome link. Okay, let us continue the code now. The first section, what we need as per the program, we need one title on the top. So as you can see on my page, I'm having one title here, my data. This title, just to understand, I'm having some content on the top and below I'm writing that. That is the purpose. Otherwise, if you want to skip, not a problem. So I will take one div class. My class name, I can take anything. Because I'm writing some content here, I will take my class name as content. Then I will take right and left, I want some spaces. So we will write here container. Next we will write here div class, and here we are writing one common content. So that's why I will take one heading called only content, because only content I want as the heading. And then you can give one title. In my program, I give one title as my data. So I'm giving here similarly my data. CSS part we'll do it later. We'll mix here own CSS so that it will look beautiful. Is it clear? So now next part is what? If you want to write the CSS along with this one, I will write it down, not a problem. So what we need to do, we have to go on the top. I'm writing the internal CSS, take the heading as style and take the class name. What is the class name? Only content. is my class name. Then I will write whatever the padding, because we want everything to be the left and right. We want a lot of space, so I'm writing padding. Padding you can take it different, but in my program I use 80 pixels, so I'm taking 80 pixels. You can reduce, you know already the concept, you can change and you can try that. Next, you can write whatever the text is there that I want in the center, so I will take text align center and keep some background to look more beautiful. So background, I will take it yellow, any background whichever you are comfortable. Okay, so I took it. So this is the background I use. So if you want the full width, you can take the full width. If you want in the half width, you can take it as a container. So because I want in a container, I took in a container. It is your wish. Okay. Next section we are starting here, footer part. So in the footer part, first to create the footer, I will take one section called footer only. So let us start with this. So let us take one section called footer. I will take div class. Again, we want inside the container. So I am taking in container. I will take class, sorry, div class row. Guys, while you write very carefully how I am writing this part, do the step by step. First write and check whether it is working or not. Then only go for the second one, so that you will not have any doubts into that one. Then footer section I am starting here. Div, this two div open and close and footer, so that you will not have any problem, because closing is very important. Next, what I will do, I want to divide into the parts. So I will take class call MD3. I want to divide this into how many parts? 3 parts. So I'm taking column MD3. And here what I will do, this column empty where I am starting and ending, because we have gone 4 times. So confusion will happen. So I'll write here. Column MD3 started. Column MD3 end. Because when you write this, it will be very clear which is my first part, which is my second, which is my third, which is my fourth. Clear with this? Okay. Now, as you can see here in my program, I'm having one logo below that text is there. So first, logo means what? You have to write image. But what I will do, I will write this all the code into one box so that I can create the CSS part for this one. So I'll write div class and I will take one class name. Suppose let us say write box one, whatever name, it is not a problem. Why? Because that designing part, if you want to do for that particular box, I need one class name. So that's why I'm taking that one. So next you take the image src, and my image name I'm having logo.png. Make sure your image should be available here, guys. So my image is available logo.png, and let us set the width and height. But what I did already, my image size I set already like this. So if you're having the smaller size image, there is no problem. If you're having bigger size, you can set width and height. Around width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel. You try different and it will be done. Otherwise, you can go to this image, whatever my properties are there, you can use the same property. Where will get that option? No worries. I will do one thing. I will show in the front. So 200 by 80. So you can use this type of image. In the Paint, you go and resize it. Okay. Or you go to the PR software website, you download from there. I think it is predefined. It will be there. Okay. Next, we want paragraph below to that one. So I'm taking the paragraph. Okay. Paragraph, whatever you want, you can copy paste. Let us say we are just taking some dummy paragraph, PR software training institute, Hyderabad. What I will do, I will copy paste this 3-4 type so that our paragraph will be done. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. You copy just dummy thing, not a problem. Up to this, it is okay. Next, if you observe below to that, I'm having one option called payment mode, and these symbols are there. So it is a continuation in this box only, nothing separate. So take one S3 heading, payment mode, And then you write what? You write there one class called div class, and I will say card area. I'm taking completely customized classes so that I can rewrite the code here. What I will write here, I class and fa cc visa. Actually, what is the meaning? Visa card symbol will come. You will say, sir, I don't know about symbols. So simple, I will tell you. Go to the Font Awesome website. Those are having confusion. Font Awesome website you go. Whichever the payment mode you want, you can just type that word here. I think we want here icons. I will type suppose example, let us say visa only. So for visa, you are having this, click on this symbol and see, this is the FA brand FACC visa. Okay, so you can copy this and you can paste it that thing. If you want this, you can just click here, copy this and paste it here. All of you getting? Actually here FA and FA brand, little difference will be there in FA and FA brand. So might be latest version we are having this one. We are using means I saw in the W3 school I am copy paste. That's why that is coming like. Is it clear? Let us try with power run. What will happen? Nothing will. Okay. Power run FACC visa. Like this, how many payment modes you want it? You can copy and paste those symbol. Let me search for payment mode symbol. Payment mode. This will we get anything here? Yes. We are getting different, but money checking like this is coming. Okay. We'll take it rupee. One by one only you have to search, guys. Rupee we are having here rupee. No, not there. So because it's not Indian company, that's it. So you can check one by one. Let me take with another brand like I class. You know that the second is what? FA. And we will take it like credit card we want. So credit card. Guys, you have to do research. If you want to change your own things, you do some research and try to write the name on the Font Awesome website. Just type the name, it will give you the class, you change it. FFCC. And second, we want suppose master card. And the last option we are having is I class FA CC PayPal. So PayPal. So these are the four option I copy pasted. So this is just for what? The first part of my MD box 3. So like this, how many boxes you want, you should copy this code MD3. So that's why I wrote now see, when we write, it will become a lot of confusion for you. So that's why now I am having this column MD3 code because it will be very easy for me to copy paste. So copy this code and come down or simple. Suppose example, you don't want to copy paste, you want to write your own. Again, not a problem. You write here column MD3 started. Again, you write because there should not be any confusion, guys. Again and again, I'm saying column MD3 end. So writing this part. Now, what I want here, I want to take another thing. I'm going little quicker way now. Call MD3. Next, what we need to do, we have to create one class called div class box 1. This is common for everything now. Now, in the second part, you can observe here what we are having. In my second part, I'm having here this links, web links I have. So let us create one title called web links. Web links. Next, you create unordered list because you know that why we need unordered list, guys, to make it the menu bar. So li, there you write ahref. I'm having here home. I want to write some quick link instead of web links. I will say this is quick link. It will look little proper. Quick links. So here you can write this is for what? Home. Similarly, you copy paste how many links you are having on your website. 1, 2, 3. So home, just change the names. That's it. Home, about us, services, contact. So these are the option you have to. So this is what second part. Third part again. Now third part we can do copy paste because now you got the concept here. I will copy. Wherever the end is there, you go there and paste it. And instead of this link, see, this is common part. You remove only this part. That's it. Now what we have to do here is, now in the third part, what is there? Just check it. You are having this newsletter concept. So if you want the newsletter, sir, I want some Facebook social media link. It is completely your wish, guys, how you want it. It is not at all necessary that you want in the same format. So let us write here. So if you want similar to my program, then I will write here one class called input group, and we will take little space. And guys, make sure here one more thing what you should remember is this part we copy pasted already when I was telling you the forms concept in my Bootstrap series. So if you want this ready-made, I will tell you the ready-made concepts. Either I can type or I can write here form. Take wherever the form concept, whichever you want, you can take it. So any code you are having here, form control will go with. There are some multiple are there, whichever you feel which is okay for you, you can copy and paste it. Check it. I think it is looking okay. So what I can do here is, guys, I can take this properties called first one, okay, and you can take the confirm button and you copy paste. That is one way. Means I will copy paste this one and button. So this will look like this. But in my design, how I am having in my design, I'm having directly box with this value. So let me check it. This also should be there somewhere. If it is there, I will copy paste. Otherwise, I will tell you from manual. Okay, let me explain you. It should be there. You can search if you are getting. Otherwise, I will show you manual. So first, what I need here, input type is equals to text, whichever you already aware. Class, we should write form control for input field. Next, we can take placeholder. Placeholder means inside, do you want any message? I want enter the mail. So this is very simple box. Okay. First, let me show you this box, how it looks. Then I will add the functionality. Guys, designing will not done. Okay. Designing, we have to write CSS, but I am checking this box. See, this box is like this. So what I want this, in this box only, I want to write some more properties so that it will look beautiful. So I will take one predefined properties called area and we'll give the class name as basic add-on 2. Meaning is what? This is the predefined thing. Whatever CSS I will write, it will come on that box. That is the reason. And below that, we want span class. We'll take it input hyphen group. And on that box, we want the text. So I'm writing this text. And we will add the ID also. So same ID I will add it. So that is class, this is id. You know the difference. At the rate example. Okay, let me check. So see, it is coming like this. Meaning is what? Whatever the enter email is there, you will enter at the rate whatever the .com. Suppose example, I want gmail.com or web.com. You can write like this. Example, I can write like this. So it will be understood by the third person. Okay, we are creating this box. Is it clear? Any doubts here, guys? Okay. Next, suppose example, if you want to create here some arrow to go to the next, you can write that arrow symbol also. I class this arrow symbol, nothing but clickable. We'll make it class, and we will write the arrow far symbol is nothing but I think far space for long arrow. This is the predefined word. Or if you want to make it some different arrow, you can go to the website of fast symbol, copy paste from there also. Okay, and this span should be end here. Okay, first let me try with this one. Okay, this span should end after this. What happened? Something missing. For long arrow hyphen right. That's correct only. Okay, I will do one thing. I will go to this website and I will search for arrow, not on Bootstrap. That should also work, I think. So let us see any arrow which you want. Copy this. Copy. One second, guys. I think that link is not working. Font as some. Let me check it if we are wrong here. I will do one thing. This link I will provide you in my system. This link is working fine. So we copy paste from another website. So that is not working. So this link I will give you so that it should work fine. Yes, it is working. You can see here that symbols are coming, and here we'll change now that at the bottom. Link issue, that is, guys. Here we have to write what? Long arrow. So here, now when I click here, that is Django concept. When you click, it should go in the backend and search. Okay. So, and below that one, what is there in my portal? So follow us is there, social media links are there. So come down of this one. So close this div tag, which is there. First div tag I'm closing. Below that, because separately I want this, not in this div tag. But div tag I'm closing only for guys, not for column MD. I'm closing only for this part, which is I'm creating for input group. Okay, there I'm writing here one heading. Follow us, and one second, one error is this error. All done properly. No? Okay, we'll see it. What is the error? Some red market is showing. Next, what we want, we'll create one paragraph here. Class will take it socials, and then we'll write style. Actually, okay, I will not write style. I will show you first why we are writing that style. And let me copy paste the symbol of social media. So far for Facebook. This already we used last time also, guys. So nothing new here. Copy this 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever you want, you can take it. Like I want Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Whichever you want, it is your wish. Again, depends on the client requirement. You can check it this and check how it's looking. So this is not looking exact because we need to write the CSS for that. So clear. Now the last part and very important part we are going to see here is what I will copy paste one more column MD. Come here. This column MD I will paste it. See if you don't write the start and end, no, it will become very dangerous for you. Why this error is showing, guys? Let me check it here. This div is closed. Li open, li close, quick links. Okay, here I not close this slash. Fine, that slash was not there. That's why that red mark is coming here also. Span is not close. So red mark is coming means something you missed there that I checked there. Now the last part which I copy pasted, and here we want a map. So I will write here our location. Our location I'm taking. And location, how to copy paste I said, guys? Go to the Google. Search for, suppose example, we want the PR softwares. There, go to the PR softwares. Click on here on the map. Click on share embed map. You already know this process, but here one change will be there. When you copy paste directly and if you run, it will be very big. Let's check it here. Very big. But do you want small size? So if you take your cursor little this side, you will have your width and height. Change the height to around 250 and width also 250, both width and height. Now see, it is looking top. So first creation part is completed. Now designing part. So now you go to your styles. One by one part I will design and I will show you. And I will show you one by one. Content already you got it, which is there on the top. Now next section, because we are working with the footer concept. So let me write the footer code. First we have to set the footer content. So I'll write footer. In footer, what we want? We want my footer background to black. But guys, it is not at all recommended to write the name. So it is recommended to write the HTML code. How to write the code, guys? Go to the Google HTML color code. Pick the codes from here. I know the code, but still I'm showing you so that you should not have any confusion in that. So all what 00 is the code. Copy paste. Come here. Hash 00. So 00 is coming. But actually, basically, if you see, footer is a complete code. That's why it is coming outside. Some people said, sir, I don't want this outside. So that footer you take inside the container so that width will come. What I'm saying, all of it clear? What I'm saying here is, suppose footer is looking completely outside. So what I can do here is, this footer area, if you don't want outside, you take it inside this div. And down also you take it inside the div, rest is fine. This is one change I am doing in my layout. See. So if you want don't full width, then you take it inside. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Next, what I'm going to do here is, next part I will write some padding section. I will add it because it is looking completely attached to everything. Padding, and take the padding depends on your requirement. So let me write around 50 padding here. Top and bottom I will write 50 pixel, and left and right I will write just a 10 pixel. So see, it got automatically the above padding is 50 pixel, and left and right I give little because if I give more, it will become, it will spread it. Means content will not be in proper way. So that is why I took this. Clear? I'm explaining very one by one. Then what we have to do now, the next part we have to design this box one. If I design one box, automatically four will get designed because we are using common thing there. So go to your program and write the top. CSS will be continuation. What we have to write here? Dot box because it is class 1p. First I am setting the paragraph. Paragraph. What is the paragraph? Color white. Again, if you don't want to write this one, color code, you can take it as white. All F. Hashtag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, suppose line height. What is line height basically, guys? So, one second, I will show you. 1, 2, I will give. Come here and refresh. It's not working. Line height. Let me cross check once. So, where we are. Color is set properly. Yeah, line height also coming. See, line height is basically space between these lines. It was not refreshed properly. Now it's refreshed. So here PR Hyderabad, previously it was attached, now space is in place. If you want to see it, the major difference, I will write the space more there. So let us take the difference as 3, just to see it properly. Little difference increase. It will not increase much. It will increase slowly, means little. So you can try different and do. Next is what we are having, that title payment mode is there now, that we have to change. So how can we change the title? Title we wrote in H3, correct? So dot box, what is the name I gave there? 1H3. We want font size to be changed. So let us change the font size 16 pixel. I want to change font weight, nothing but little dark it should look like. So font weight 300 pixel. And we want to change the color to white. Because black background, we are using white. So see, payment mode got white. Guys, colors you can choose as per your requirement, not at all a problem. And now the card area is nothing but this bottom, this symbols. So again, I will write dot box 1. Inside that, I am having class called dot card area. So whenever one class inside another, we have to write like this. Okay. Color again, we will set it to white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Font size. Basically, what is the size of that particular logo we want it, that we can write. So let me search like this. It is coming. And if you want to make it little right or left, you can adjust it. Margin left around 10 pixel. Right, it will come. No, right. Okay. So that margin is little space I adjusted. If you want, you can adjust. Otherwise, you can write like this. So first part designing completed, guys. Okay. So let me design the some more. If you want to make some changes here, you can write like this also. What I wrote. No. Now the next part is here. Once let me check what is the next part there. Order list and unordered list, I think. Yes, that home page is there, an order list and li, this two part, and below that more two parts of them. Okay. Dot box again one. This is common because everywhere we use, for all the four we use in that ul. For ul, what we have to write? List style, list style. We want none, means there should not be any dots before that one. That is done. Next, whatever the text is there, I want in the center. So align center. So text will come in the center. So text we got it center. Next, we want to write that inside properties of li, that we have to change it. So same thing, you can copy paste. Inside that li property, I will write. And in li, what we want here is, I think in li we are having anchor tag also. So let us add the anchor tag also. Text decoration, I will write none. Color, we want white. Line height is nothing but space between that one, around 2.5. So right now it is string. So we are writing this. And font weight, nothing but little darkness we are increasing with this. Font weight 100 pixel. So see, we got like this. This quick link also will write the code, don't worry. Let us write that for text. So we're writing dot box one. In that S2 is a tag I give. I give color white. Don't get confused with the name or this one. You can use anything, but recommended is always the color code. And here we will write, suppose font size. Top I took 20, so here also I will take 20 pixel. Font weight, if you want, you can take it, otherwise you can skip. And text align, I want center, so I'm taking center. So it is center is text align. Now last part is this one, quickly we'll divide. And here we'll write the only part is left with the that basic add-on 2. And background color, you can write whatever you want. Let us say we'll write hash fe1 e4f. This is color I am using, background. And for color I will write, this is the background and this is the front color, both will write. So see, background means this color I use in the Gmail back. If you want to change it, you can change it as per your requirement. Clear guys? Any doubts up to now? And the final part, the social media is not coming here, follows. So for this, actually, I do not give any class here. So directly I will go and write a local SEO only. Sorry. I will write what? Local CSS. I get the word SEO. Sorry for that. And come to here and this in the social. Otherwise, we are having one class of social. Okay. Just one thing I can write here. What we have to write there? Text align center, because we want that text align in center. If you want separate class, go on the top and just add this class. So, like this. And our location looking perfectly fine. So this is your page, guys. So if anybody want to take this screenshot or something, I'm just starting from here. We can take the screenshot, guys. This is screenshot one. Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will take it on notepad and I will make it small so that you can take it properly. Or if you want, you can just comment me. I will send you the code in the personal. Okay, those who want, just mail ID you drop in the comment box. I will send you this code. Okay. And those who want to try by yourself, it is your wish. So thank you for this, guys. We'll continue next part in the next video. Thank you.